Hi and welcome to our channel, Rich, Retired, and Reckless. Did you know that there are numerous ways to make money online simply by using your computer or smartphone? In this video, we'll be sharing 10 websites and platforms where you can earn some extra cash on the side or even potentially turn it into a full-time income. And the best part is, you don't have to quit your 9-to-5 job to make it happen. You can work on these websites in your spare time to bring in some extra income. Some of these websites even allow you to make up to $100 per day or more. There are two main ways to make money online: active income and passive income. Active income is similar to a traditional 9-to-5 job where you are only paid for the work that you do. Passive income, on the other hand, is my personal favorite because it allows you to continue earning money even after putting in the initial effort. All you have to do is put in some initial work and, in theory, the money will continue to come in without requiring any additional effort, aside from possibly marketing your products or services. So, let's dive into the 10 websites where you can make money online. Upwork. This website is a great resource for freelancers looking for work in a variety of fields, such as writing, editing, app development, and coding. Businesses and individuals post outsourcing opportunities on Upwork, and it's up to you to apply and show off your skills to increase your chances of getting hired. Make sure to have a strong profile and showcase your best work. YouTube is a platform that allows you to make money through ads and sponsorships, as well as through affiliate marketing. However, in order to monetize your channel, you must first meet YouTube's minimum requirements, which include having at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the previous year. Once your channel is monetized, you can earn money through ad revenue and sponsored content. The amount of money you can make on YouTube depends on the number of views and engagement you receive on your videos. You can also earn money through affiliate marketing, which involves promoting products or services in your videos and earning a commission on any sales made through your unique affiliate link. In order to take advantage of paid sponsorship opportunities, you typically need to have at least 10,000 subscribers. Etsy. If you're creative and enjoy making things, Etsy is the perfect platform for you. Etsy is an online marketplace that specializes in handmade or unique items. People can sell anything from jewelry to clothing to home decor on Etsy. You can even sell digital products such as printables or graphics. If you're just starting out on Etsy, you may want to consider setting up a shop and selling some of your own creations. Once you have a few sales under your belt, you can start thinking about expanding your business by offering custom orders or even wholesale options to other retailers. Blogging is another way to make money online. There are a few different ways to make money from blogging, including advertising, sponsored content, and affiliate marketing. Advertisements are the most common way to make money from a blog. You can sell ad space on your blog to companies or individuals who want to advertise their products or services. Sponsored content is when you write a blog post or create a video for a company in exchange for payment. Affiliate marketing is when you promote a product or service on your blog and receive a commission for every sale made through your unique referral link. Online tutoring. If you have a degree or expertise in a particular subject, you can make money by offering online tutoring services. There are a few different platforms that allow you to connect with students who need help with their studies. You can set your own rates and schedule, making it a flexible and potentially lucrative option. Virtual assisting. As a virtual assistant, you can work from anywhere and offer a variety of services to businesses and individuals. Some common Tasks for virtual assistants include scheduling appointments, managing emails, creating social media content, and data entry. You can find work as a virtual assistant Amazon used to sell books when Jeff Bezos founded the company, but it now offers practically anything you can imagine. However, Amazon is more than just a store where you can buy your favorite toys. You can use it to generate income. And here are 3 ways to do it. The first method is Amazon Mturk, which is similar to Upwork in that it allows businesses to outsource tasks that are too challenging for computers to complete, such as audio editing and transcription, audio and video translation from many languages, website testing, review writing, and a wide range of other services. By working on a few different activities, you may earn $20 or $30 per hour. They do pay, and this is a legitimate way to earn money, but this is a working income. The second method is Kindle publishing on Amazon.com. Create an ebook and sell it on Amazon's platform. You'll receive a percentage of the sales. This is a passive income since you only have to put in the initial effort of writing the book, and then the sales will come in on their own. The third method is Amazon's affiliate program. You can promote Amazon products on your website or blog and receive a commission for each sale made through your referral link. This is also a passive income because you only have to put in the initial effort of setting up the website or blog and adding the Amazon affiliate links. After that, the sales will come in on their own. eBay is an online marketplace where you can sell your old stuff or even new products. You can start your own eBay store and sell products that you make or resell products from other brands. eBay is a great place to start if you have a lot of items to sell and want to reach a large audience. Fiverr is a website where you can offer your services to people who need them. There are a wide variety of services that you can offer on Fiverr, such as graphic design, social media management, writing, and more. You can set your own prices and work as much or as little as you want. Dropshipping is a way to sell products online without having to hold any inventory. You partner with a supplier who manufactures and ships the products directly to your customers. You can sell products on your own website or on a platform like eBay or Amazon. Dropshipping is a great way to start an online business with low startup costs and no need to worry about inventory management. In conclusion, there are many different ways to make money online. Whether you want to start a full-time business or just turn some extra cash in your spare time, there are options for everyone. The key is to find something that you enjoy doing and are good at, and then put. Thank you for watching, and we hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, please leave a comment below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more great content on personal finance, investing, and achieving financial freedom. Until next time, stay rich, retired, and reckless.